My name is John Heskins, and at Spatial Vision I'm the Fisheries and Marine Specialist. I've held this position and this domain for about 20 years now, so it's a passion of mine and something that I love working with. Well, fish are a very important resource for the country. And we need to be able to understand what's happening in our commercial sector, what's happening in our farming, aquaculture sector, and our recreational use of these resources. We work with all of those elements to actually inform people about the state of the resource and provide information to these guys so that they can do their jobs more efficiently. Probably in the commercial fishing industry, with the biggest problems about how they provide information to the government to help them understand the state of the fishery, the health of the fishery. So we have developed a mobile tool to allow fishers to report electronically, and this information is easily entered, easily submitted, and it's received immediately by the government. So we solve a number of problems in the one tool.